Truman Talks Law on Great Day Live is sponsored by the Carl Truman Law Office.
Talking more about your money today, did you know that if you're in an automobile accident as a Kentuckian, you automatically have $10,000 to help pay your medical bills? No, I didn't know that, Laura.
I did not either.
This is unless you turn it down.
And attorney Carl Truman explains PIP and other important benefits of your auto insurance. So PIP is personal injury protection. How does this work?
Morning. Yeah, a lot of times, clients will call up or come see me, and the very first question they'll ask is, well, how am I going to get my medical bills paid? So we have to, because a lot of times people will automatically assume, well, it wasn't my fault. Why don't we just send the bills to the other person's insurance company that hit me and let them pay my bills? Fortunately, it just doesn't work that way. Their other driver, even if it's clearly their fault, is not going to just pay your medical bills. But a lot of people still think that. So we have to be able to get the medical bills paid. One of the first ways, and since I practice both Indiana and Kentucky, I have to look at both sides of the river. Kentucky law, you automatically have $10,000 of PIP benefits. PIP stands for Personal Injury Protection. And so what that provides is $10,000 to pay medical bills and lost wages.
All right, and what is a PIP pirate? I saw that in one of your brochures. That doesn't sound good.
No, unfortunately, this is one of the, PIP is a very useful thing, helps many, many people, but unfortunately there are some people out there, some providers, who will want to try to abuse the system, and so they'll try to bring people in just to run up their PIP bill, run out their $10,000, and then basically, you're done treating when you run out of your PIP money. And so that's why I call them PIP pirates, because I don't think that it's very ethical. I don't think it's the right thing to do. And so, sometimes clients will tell me, well, they had someone knocking on their door saying, oh, come to our clinic and, we can help you. And so if someone knocks on your door wanting you to go to their medical clinic or even an attorney, it's strictly unethical. And so if someone knocks on your door asking you to come to their medical clinic, slam the door in their face, in my opinion.
Okay, now in Indiana, they don't have PIP, they have MedPay. So how is that different than PIP?
Under Indiana law, medical payments coverage is an option. You don't automatically get it. You have to purchase it, and you can purchase it in various amounts. I see $1,000, $5,000, $10,000. The more the better, actually, because it's very inexpensive coverage.
It's important to take time with your insurance agent and go through every detail. And a lot of times I think people look at something and they think, this is War and Peace, I don't care, where do I sign?
Well, so often I'll ask clients about, well, what coverage they have on their car, and their first response is always, well, I have full coverage. That really doesn't tell us. There is no definition of what is full coverage. You've really got to understand, read your insurance policy, talk to your insurance agent, and, buy more PIP coverage, because it's very inexpensive coverage.
And you say those two can work together, MedPay and PIP, because you practice in both states, so you know how to help them work together for the client?
Sometimes, let's say, for example, if someone might live in Indiana and you come over to Louisville and get hurt, then we know how to work those benefits together for the maximum value for the client.
And there's always shifting sands in the business too, so it's important, because some people, like you noted, you'll buy an insurance policy, but they bought it 20 years ago and they just have the same person. The laws change, and you got to be up to speed on that.
Well, absolutely, and so it's important to, what I always say, be an informed consumer, because I think an informed client, an informed consumer makes a better client.
But again, even if it's optional, you probably want to invest in it. You think it's worth that purchase?
It's very minimal cost to get more PIP coverage. So I encourage everyone, to add PIP coverage to make sure your bills are taken care of.
You never know when you're going to need it.
You never know.
All right, Carl, good to have you back.
Thank you.
All right, and if you'd like to know more, or you've been in an accident and want Carl's help, you can call this number. It's all twos, 502-222-2222.
And TrumanLaw.com.
You've been injured and have questions about your legal rights?
A few minutes. All right, we'll see you again in a couple.